So you want to add auto captions to your Facebook Reels, but there's no CC button in your editing tools? You're not alone. That's why the best content creators in 2025 use a powerful external app like CapCut to handle all their captioning. It is fast, it is accurate, and it gives you a ton of control. Here's the step-by-step guide. First, you'll need to download the CapCut app if you don't have it already. Once you open the app, tap on New Project and select the video you want to use. Tap Add to import it into your timeline. Now look at the menu bar at the bottom of your screen and tap on the auto caption icon. A pop-up will ask you, just hit the generate button and CapCut's powerful AI will instantly transcribe all the audio in your video. CapCut's auto caption feature is incredibly accurate, but it's always a good idea to double check. The text will appear on your video, and if you see a mistake, just tap on the text block to edit it. You can correct misspellings or even change the wording. This is also where you can get creative. Tap on Style and you'll find hundreds of fonts, colors, and even animations to make your captions pop. When you're happy with how the captions look, tap the Export button in the top right corner, choose your desired resolution and frame rate, and CapCut will save the video to your phone's camera roll. From there, all you have to do is open Facebook, create a new reel, and upload your newly created video with the professional-looking captions. And that's how you do it. Using CapCut is the most reliable way to add professional, automatic captions to your Facebook Reels, ensuring your content is accessible and engaging, whether someone is watching with the sound on or off.